Okay, so I've got her set up on 710 RPMs. We're going to go ahead and do a face cut here. I got it set up on a slower feed rate so you can truly see this thing taking a nice finish cut. I'm not a machinist. I do get a lot of hate mail from you guys out there that do this all day long, every day. What I do all day long, every day is make sure that these machines run like a champ. I've never been trained in machining, so sometimes I grab a part and I turn the wrong RPM, and I sure get a lot of guys that call and say, hey, you're going too fast, you're going too slow. I want you to be able to see that this machine runs gorgeous and is capable of making a beautiful cut. Again, yes, I know. In fact, I don't even know what the material is most of the time. It's stuff we have laying around. So please just look at the integrity of the machine, not the integrity of the operator or the skill of the operator. The integrity of the operator is fine. The skill of the operator sometimes can be lacking. But it is a beautiful, great running machine. I just want you to be able to see this and appreciate that it can do a beautiful face cut. When I do get done with this cut, I will take this part out. I'll put a longer piece in. We'll do a longitudinal cut, and then we'll mic that part so you can see the accuracy on a part that's about 10 inches long. It will not be supported by a tailstock center or anything like that. It'll just be free cutting 10 inches out in space. As you can see right there, you can see my reflection of my hands. Just a gorgeous finish. We did cut this longitudinal piece here also prior to this video, just to true everything up and make sure everything was running good and round. So it does face and longitudinal cut beautifully. That's going to conclude this video. We'll go ahead and set her up for a longitudinal cut.